In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with WordPress utilizing the Site Kit by Google. If you're looking to understand your website's traffic, user behavior, and how visitors interact with your site, then integrating Google Analytics is a crucial step. So let's walk through the process together and transform your insights into actionable data right from your WordPress dashboard. To start, we need to install the Site Kit by Google plugin on your WordPress site. Site Kit is Google's official plugin, designed to help you seamlessly connect your WordPress site with Google's suite of tools, including analytics. It's specifically built to be user-friendly, which means even if you're just starting out, you'll find this process straightforward. On your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins tab and click on Add New. In the search bar, simply type in Site Kit by Google. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, and after a few moments, hit the Activate button. Activation is an essential step because without it, the plugin won't function on your site. Now that Site Kit is activated, you'll be greeted by a setup wizard. The purpose of this wizard is to guide you through connecting your website to your Google account. First, sign into your Google account, preferably the one linked to your analytics, to ensure smooth integration. The wizard will prompt you to grant necessary permissions. These permissions allow Site Kit to access your analytics data and other Google services. It might seem like quite a few clicks to consent, but each one is meant to facilitate a comprehensive data access path between your website and Google's vast pool of analytics capabilities. Once your site is connected, you need to enable Google Analytics within Site Kit. Navigate through the Setup wizard until you reach the option to activate Analytics. Follow all on-screen instructions, as they will guide you through any additional steps required based on your specific setup. After enabling Analytics, Site Kit will start collecting data from your website. Keep in mind, it can take a little while for initial data to start flowing through as the system syncs. With everything set up, you can view the analytics reports directly in your WordPress dashboard. To do this, simply go to Site Kit and then Dashboard. Here, you'll find user-friendly insights and data visualizations showing how visitors are interacting with your site. From this dashboard, you can monitor your most popular pages, look into traffic sources, and see the general user behavior, all crucial components in shaping your website's strategy and achieving better engagement with your visitors. Site Kit by Google is officially supported and friendly for beginners, so you don't need any technical expertise to reap the benefits of these powerful insights directly through WordPress. By having this data readily available, you're one step closer to optimizing your content and improving your user experience. With that, you're all set up. Happy analyzing, and I'll see you in the next video.